Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Now you need to install this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Following that, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom on the left of your Lenovo and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Lenovo. You can finally tap on all of those categories at the top and in them select those type of dots to select multiple files from your category. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. In order to continue, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key of Android. Then, to allow camera access, pick while using the app or only this time. And finally, scan your QR code by pointing your Android at Lenovo. You can always input this key though by tapping on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers correctly and choosing Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!